So the great snowstorm so far, 2026, is just starting to rear its head. As of right now, 10:14. Oh, it's a whopping 10 degrees, better than the 1 degree yesterday. As it warms, the snow will probably pick up, or that's what's forecasted. Welcome, everyone. Just out here drinking my coffee and checking out the beginning stages of the snowstorm. Just gonna be documenting a little bit of it for posterity. We only know we're expected to get anywhere up to 2 feet of snow in the storm. There's a Patriots game on a little bit later that I will be checking out. But I'm just gonna film a little bit of the storm and how it accumulates throughout, not only today, but I'll probably pepper in a little bit tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But come check it. And it's about 2:30 now. It is really coming down. I swept away a little bit of the porch, but I guess that would be an accurate measurement. I'll come check this measurement here and there. I was gonna actually go out for a little spin before it got too bad, but it looks like it's getting pretty bad now, so might not do that. Might just go do the first round of cleanup of probably many. And my car is semi-buried. I opened the door, so some of it fell off, but already at least, I'd say about 2 inches. But I'm gonna clean up a little bit first. Clean off the car. Be several rounds. Very pretty though. And I have barely scratched the surface, and it is already very miserable. It's about 15 degrees out right now. Not that heavy, but after you shovel so much, it starts to wear on you, that's for sure. And it is important to take breaks, even though the snow is falling right in my face now. Maybe this wasn't the best idea, but the more I do now, the less I do later. I guess that's how I'm looking at it. Yeah, and this is pretty crazy because I've already wiped off the front of this just a mere moments ago. And it's already pretty much covered again. Not the top, but the windshield, that was the second time I did that. But I'm sure with the way that it's accumulating now, it's supposed to be, I think, 2 or 3 inches every hour. So just trying to stay on top of it a little bit. Maybe I'm just wasting my time. Oh, the game's on. I've been out here longer than I thought I would be. But round one is done for now, and there's already probably at least half an inch back on the ground. I wonder if I just stayed out here all day, just kept redoing it, how that would work. I'd be frozen. And just stepped out at halftime. Patriots and Broncos tied 7-7. And it is coming down. And they're keeping these bursts of snow. I mean, it's snowing constantly, but every now and then there'll be like a big burst of snow. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. And yes, the accumulation is getting heavier, but it's windy. So like right there is a lot. I swept some of the snow again. And right there is not gonna be what I can see, because it's like drifting. It's like drifting snow. So I just giving a little halftime update. There's one of those bursts. See, like that. That's what I was talking about. These crazy bursts. Pretty crazy. And the Patriots are going back to the Super Bowl. This is good. What is bad is there's still a lot of snow falling. So, gonna do a costume change and then head back out into the elements, and I'll probably film a little bit of it. And back in my snow gear, and it looks like this is at least half a foot, 6 inches maybe, since the last time I was out here. And got a long ways to go. Costume change completed also. And here we go with round 2. Oh yeah, this is fun. The snow flying right into my face. If it wasn't for these glasses, my eyes would be filled with snow right now. Oh, I need to take a break.
At least it's nice and fluffy.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, if this was heavy, dude, no way.
Yeah, wait till you get to the end of the driveway.
But it's still fluffy.
Yeah, but it's thicker with where the plow plowed.
I know, that's why we're doing it now. Because in the morning, it'll be probably close to that again.
Yeah, no, probably more.
I don't know about that.
We'll see. Time will tell. And you know, there was a time that I did like the winter and I did like the snow. But I'm afraid those days are mostly past. I miss building forts and having snowball fights, sledding, all the things that I did that were fun in the snow. I don't really do anymore. Maybe I should change that. I did go snow tubing up at the ice castles. That was about a year ago. Where does the time go? Oh, and here comes another one of those gusts of snow. Harder to see now that it's not in the daytime. And just like that, the driveway is clear. We did have some help. I did not get it on film. Someone Seth knows was kind enough to come and plow. We still shovel quite a bit, but it was very helpful. And he came and plowed all of this. So now we'll have to see. Seth's still up there blowing off the stairs with the leaf blower. But round 2 complete. I just cleaned this off 2 seconds ago before I moved it in. It's already quite covered. The snow is not getting any less insane. And back out on the back porch, still have quite a bit of snow, but if you look at that table right there, if I can get it in view. Yeah, Lots and lots of snow, probably quite over a foot. Fun, fun, fun. And no sign of stopping. And yes, earlier I said I was gonna measure right there, but the wind has been gusting so much. Look at that, look at that. The wind has been gusting so much that it's blown all of it off there. Right there, it's a different story. I was trying to sweep out here. I actually got the whole deck done, first sweep, then little by little, not so much. But oh yeah, that's what we're dealing with. All that. The pyramid is formed. Maybe not a pyramid, but triangular shape is formed on that chair.
Give us the latest on the snow totals out there today.
Yeah, she's been excellent on the guidance with this one, following the forecast and really doing the right things for the state. We were all prepared very well for this. If you're watching our forecasts and, hate to toot our own horn, but you were well prepared for this, no doubt about it. Teens and 20s across here, you knew you were getting a whole bunch of snow, fluffy piles of it, and this backside snow, we were expecting that too. It stretches back here to the west, but the best band is coming from about Hollis, New Hampshire to Westford, Leominster, through the city of Worcester, off to Southbridge. So a little bit of snow added to the big piles you have already. To the North Shore we go, a couple different bands. This one stretches from Salisbury through Georgetown all the way into Chelmsford. Another one from Ipswich through Hamilton and Middleton. And then right along the coast from Cape Ann through Manchester by the Sea and Marblehead, southward to Lynn and Cambridge. And there's this band of snow. Remember I was telling you it didn't look like, I didn't think there'd be some mixing in here, even though the radar was showing that. It looks like they tweaked the algorithm, because that's right to snow as I expected it was. And that snow continues to blow in these streets. You see the lines here coming right under. Those are bands of ocean effect snow, and that's where you're going to get some more accumulation for you on the South Shore. So the totals we've been telling you about were totals including what we have today. So a little bit more to add and put us in the band. So if you have 14 and we had you 15 to 20, hold on, you'll get there. There's that snow along the coast. There's the snow inland, so we'll be tracking this all afternoon.
And this is what we're dealing with. It's a little bit afternoon right now. I did not make it into work today. It was just too much. But got some more cleanup ahead of me. And as you can see, it is still snowing. And it's supposed to continue snowing for the rest of the day. I'm kind of sick of the snow. And we're supposed to get a nor'easter next week. And been delaying it for a while, but time for round 3. As you can see, my vehicle is covered in snow yet again. Oh boy. Luckily, a friend of Seth came by and plowed again, so the top is relatively good, but gotta get rid of these piles. I already actually did quite a bit, so it's not really the start of round 3. And those are some mountains of snow right there. The trailer is pretty much buried. All of these things, look at it, these snowbanks. Just one storm, just one storm. Crazy, crazy. And it is still snowing. My hat is a little bit askew, but yeah, still snowing. Pretty much cleaned everything up as much as I am tonight. Tomorrow's gonna be really fun at work. Thank you for watching. And if you've made it this far, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And check me out on my next video, or check out some of my older videos. Help me out. All right, peace. No more 2 feet of snow on the table. And we cleared off the back deck too. Although, as you can see, it is still snowing. And it's just about 6 right now. It's supposed to snow till 10. It looks pretty, but it sure is a pain.